Hello students, I would like to go over some problems from Monday's homework, April 6th, just so you're more confident and if you made mistakes you can correct them. First I will do question number 3. Okay, in question number 3, find the diameter of a circle with an area of 74 square millimeters. So for number 3, I know that area is equal to 74 square units. And the formula for area of a circle, area is equal to pi r square. Okay, so 74 equals pi r square. Now some of you, it depends on the calculator you're using, you may substitute 3.14 instead of pi. I will just keep it pi. So to get r by itself, I have to divide by pi, okay. Now if you take your calculator and divide 74 over pi, I will get 74 divided by second pi. I'm using exact pi on my calculator, okay, so my answer is, if I use 2 decimal places, I get 23.55. in other words, 23 and 55 hundredths equals r square. And how do I get r by itself? Square root. Okay, so if I square root both sides, my answer is about 4.85. So r is equal to 4.85. So 4 and 85 hundredths. But remember, the question was find the diameter. Okay, so diameter is twice the radius. So diameter, you multiply 4.85 times 2. So if you do 2 times 4.85, your answer should be 9 and 7/10 millimeters, mm. Okay, so this is your answer to question number 3. Okay, let's do one more problem. Let me just see which one. I would like to do question number 16. So very similar problem, okay. In question number 16, we have the area of a circle is 112 square inches. Find the radius. And according to my textbook, the answer is 6 inches. So number 16. Area is equal to 112 square units. I'm not going to put units right now, I'll put them at the end. Area is equal to pi r square. Okay, so you get 112 equals 3.14 r square. Oh, actually, I wrote 3.14, but you can keep it pi. So think about 3.14 as pi. So divide by pi, okay? And using your calculator, 112 divided by pi. My calculator says 2 decimal places. The textbook, I believe, says around the answer to nearest tenth. So I'm not kind of following directions, that's fine. I will keep 35. So 35 and 65 hundredths. So 35 65 hundredths equals r square. And how do you get r by itself? Square root. Okay, if you take a square root of both sides, the answer is 5.97. So r equals 5. So r is equal to 5.97 inches. Okay, and please note that the textbook says that the radius is 6 inches, because if you round this to the nearest tenths, the answer is 6 inches. A little warning, technically the answer in algebra class should be plus or minus 5 and 95/7, or you could say plus or minus 6 inches, 6. But in geometry, radius cannot be negative. That's why I ignored the negative solution. Remember when we did quadratics in geometry, I forgot which unit, but sometimes we had two solutions, and typically the negative solution didn't make sense because it would just contradict geometry. Okay, just pay attention, because next year in Algebra 2 class, you will have two solutions. Technically the answer is plus or minus 6. So I hope this video helps. Please correct your mistakes, and I will probably post another video for sectors, because today homework is a little bit more challenging, and then tomorrow, which will be Wednesday, you will talk about composite shapes. Okay, so enjoy your day, and I hope to see you tomorrow for Google Meet at 9:30 a.m. Bye bye.